Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm also good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? Yes. Where are you from? I'm from New York. What is your name? My name is Peter. And what is your name? I'm Roy. Are you new here? I haven't seen you before. Yes, I just arrived yesterday. I hope you can understand my English. I'm still learning. Yes, I can understand you. You speak very clearly. Do you come from a big family? Quite big. I have three brothers and one sister. I'm the oldest. It must be difficult coming so far away from your family. Yes, but I have always wanted to travel and meet people from other countries. Do you like to live here? Yes, I'm very excited to be live here. How long have you been living here? I have been living here from 1 week. When and where were you born? I was born in 1981 in Paris. Are you married? No, I'm not married. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. How about you? I'm a computer engineer. Do you know what time it? Sure, it's 8:10 a.m. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.